Cars and Coding. Today we're installing a Borla exhaust system on a 2024 Ford Maverick. The Borla exhaust for the Ford Maverick this is what it looks like. So like this would be the front of the truck and then goes out to the side, okay? And what you get from Borla is the tips and this pipe here, but it doesn't come with any mufflers at all. So it's very, very loud because all you have is this harmonizer or whatever part in here. It's just straight through little pipes, but it doesn't muffle the sound at all. So what I want to do is I either want to put in a vibrant resonator or the straight through guy. This is also straight through. We're going to weld it in here where these two pipes go together. I want a really deep note. I don't want it to be raspy at all. So we'll see how it ends up. So the reason I went with this Borla exhaust is that I like the fact that it was coming out the side of the truck. With the dual tips like that, I thought that was pretty neat. I wouldn't have minded it coming out the back with a dual configuration as well. This is just crazy insane that they didn't put any kind of resonator or muffler in here. The reviews on the Maverick Truck Club say that it's just horrendous. You cannot have this on your truck, and the neighbors will complain, and you'll just look like crazy. It's crazy loud. So you can't leave it like that. So what's interesting is that it's only $262.99 plus $64 shipping for the front-wheel drive version. The four-wheel drive version is like $800, and none of them have a resonator in there. So it's ridiculous. Borla should not be selling this in this configuration. So I'll show you what we ended up doing with this to make it quieter. All right, here we go. It's all installed. It's running right now. I can barely hear it. See. Use the clamp there, but he welded that guy on real nice. I got the exhaust installed by Dan at Time Slip Motorsports in Lehigh Acres, Florida. If you're looking for where I did it, just look it up on Facebook. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, Cars and Coding. The link will be up here or over here. We have a lot more content for Ford Maverick, so check out the playlist. Thanks. See you next time.